Hello everyone. In the previous video we have discussed about control statements and branching and unconditional branching statements, looping statements, and in that particularly we have discussed about if statement. In this video we will discuss about if else statement. So what is this if else statement, right? So first in this if else statement the first test expression is evaluated. If this test expression is true, then it will enter this if loop. Otherwise, it will go to else statement and execute this one. Right? One condition is if the first condition is test expression is false, it will execute the second test expression. Or if the first test expression is true, it will execute this one and then go to the statement X. Or if the first test expression is false, it will execute the statement block 2 and then go to statement X. So this is how if else statement works. So this is a simple example to demonstrate the working of a if else statement. So this is a program to find whether a number is even or odd. Right. So in this, to start with, we have defined a as integer variable, and with this printf statement it prints enter the value of a. When this message is prompted on the screen, user need to enter the value of a and that will be stored in the address a as integer data type. Now this is the if statement. If a percentage 2 equal to 0, that is a modulus, this is called modulus operator as we have discussed in the earlier videos. If a percentage 2 equal to 0, that is the remainder of a divided by 2 is 0. So say for example if I entered 7 as the value of a. Now 7 by 2 is not, remainder of 7 by 2 is not 0, it is 1. Right? If we divide 7 by 2, the remainder what we get is 1. Right? So therefore this statement is false. Therefore it will come here and it will execute this statement, that is it prints on the screen percentage d, that is a 7 is odd. This is what printed by this program. So this is how if else statement works. So next we have if else if statement. Sometimes we also call it as nested if statement, right? So here what happened, test text when we write this if else if statement, this is the syntax, typical syntax is like this, right? If test expression 1 it is true, it will execute this one. Otherwise it will come here, it will check the test expression 2. If it is test expression is true, and then it will execute this one. So otherwise what it goes to else, last statement it will go and it will execute the statement block X, right, and then comes out of the loop and executes statement Y, right. This is how if else if statement works, right. So you can have any number of else if conditions like this, right. At the end you can just add else the statement blocks X. So this is the flowchart of if else if statement, how it works. If so, same thing what I explained here is demonstrated with the help of this flowchart, right. So we have one programming example to demonstrate if else if statement, right. So I declared percentage as a floating type of variable and I am asking to enter the student's percentage, right. When this message is prompted, one has to enter the percentage of student, which will be stored as a floating type of variable at the address percentage. So then if statement, if percentage greater than equal to 90, right, I have entered 75 here, so this is false, therefore it will not execute this statement and then it directly go to here. If percentage is greater than equal to 80, right, again it is false, therefore this also skipped. It will come here. So if percentage greater than equal to 70, this is true, therefore so what it has done, it has done is print grade C \n C, right. So it has printed this one. Once, as soon as this is printed, it comes out of the loop, right, and returns, go to return statement. It is the end of the program, right?